Just throw it in the
Go.
Go. What?
This is Keon.
This is Keyshawn.
This is Keon.
This is Keyshawn. Hey, let me do the stanky leg. If you wanna do the stanky leg, do the stanky leg, do the stanky leg. When I hear the last stroke, do the stanky leg, do the stanky leg, do the stanky leg. When I hit the dance floor, you know I'm doing the stanky leg. Do it. Shout to her and then you rub across her head. Ace, boom, goofy, you can do it too. Dash your fingers in the air, take your mic close too. Now you can lean with it, you can stop with it, you can have a leg and you can drop with it. Yeah, yeah. Now hit the booty do, now hit the booty do, hit the booty do, hit the booty do. Now you can lean with it.